In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove windows and unwanted spots from a photo in just a few seconds using the Vanishing Point tool in Photoshop. First, let's start by removing the window. Create a new layer. Then go to Filter, Vanishing Point. Now, create your perspective area by clicking to add 4 corner points. Once the grid turns blue, it means your perspective is set correctly. Next, make a selection around the area. Notice how the selection automatically aligns with the perspective grid. Now hold the Alt key and drag the selection. You'll see the selected area automatically paste itself inside the perspective grid. This makes it super quick to duplicate and cover the area perfectly according to the product's shape. And then paste it again to cover the entire window. And that's it. We've removed the window in just a few clicks. If we tried to do this without Vanishing Point, we'd have to manually make a selection, copy the area, paste it, and then manually adjust the perspective, which takes a lot more time. So this method is much faster and cleaner. Now let's move on to removing the dirty spots. First, let's create a grid area. And then, this time, select the Clone Stamp tool inside the Vanishing Point window. Hold Alt and click to sample a clean area. Then, click on the spots you want to remove like this. Repeat this process. Just Alt-click and stamp again and again until all the dirty spots are gone. As you can see, we've removed all the spots quickly and easily using Vanishing Point. And here's one more tip. Now let's remove the one more dirty spot area with same process. And one more time. And one more. And more. Now click OK. And now let me show you before and after result. As you can see, we've removed all the spots quickly and easily using Vanishing Point. And here's one more tip. If you ever want to add a window or any other object back. So, in this tutorial, first create a new layer and then go to Filter, Vanishing Point. Just create a grid for that area. Copy the object. And paste it into the Vanishing Point window. Photoshop will automatically align it with the correct perspective. And that's it. We've cleaned up the entire image in just a few minutes. So in this tutorial, we learned how to use Vanishing Point in Photoshop to remove or even add elements in perfect perspective. It's one of the fastest and most powerful tools for retouching architectural or product photos.